Welcome back to art. We are focusing on the 7 elements of art. And today, let's talk about space. Space is an optical illusion. Really, we're tricking your eye into thinking you can walk right into our artwork. Before we begin, let's say our mantra.
Are you ready? I'm ready. I am an artist.
I am an artist.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
But mistakes are great.
But mistakes are great.
Because they help us learn.
Because they help us learn.
When you're ready, get a piece of paper and turn it the window way or the short way. Then using a pencil, draw a wavy line down at the bottom of the paper. Then move closer to the top and draw another wavy line. We're going to imagine that these are 2 hills. Next, let's draw a very big tree because this tree is closest to us, and so it is really big. Now we're going to play a little trick and we're going to make it look like you could walk right into your artwork. Draw a medium tree in the middle of the paper. Now, did you see that I am drawing triangles for my trees? Then draw a tiny tree and put that closer to the top, and then a little tree on the very top hill. Don't let any of your trees float in the sky though. Next, add the tree trunks and start to erase inside of some of your trees. So I need to erase a little bit. When I'm done erasing, I'm going to be drawing something that's even bigger and closer to me. And this is a very big snowman. So first I drew a circle and then half of a circle. Because it's so close to me, I'm only going to see half of the snowman. I'm going to draw 2 eyes, a triangle for a nose, a little smile, and I think I'll give a waving arm, and then a hat, and maybe some more buttons, something like that. So look at how big the snowman is. It is so big, it can't even fit on the paper. It is that close to me. Next, I'm going to draw a little snow friend, and this snow friend is in the middle of the paper, and it is tiny because it is farther away. I'd have to walk all the way up the hill and then all the way up again to go to that snow friend. When you're finished with that, it's time to add a tree line, and I'm just doing a bumpy line above and in my sky. This is a choice. You could do this, or you could just color your entire sky blue. I'm also going to add a little cabin, and I'm using a square, a rectangle, and a triangle for the top. Go ahead and give a little cabin. Then, when you're done drawing everything, it is time to color. Color your first 3 trees in with green. Take your time and fill them in. First the biggest one, then medium, then the tiny, and the tiniest. Next, I'm going to use a blue marker because I want my hills to look like they're snow hills. So I'm going to use blue because blue makes me think of cold or cool colors. After that, it's time to color in my little cabin, and I'm going to use brown, and I'm going to add some little logs onto it, and I'm going to also color in my little tree trunks. I'd like to put some trees off in the distance, and did you know an easy way to make trees is to draw the letter Y? That's right, Y, like yuh. That says yuh, right? Like a yo-yo. So I'm drawing a bunch of little Y's in my tree line, and then I'm going to continue to color in. I'm coloring in my snow friend. I'm going to go over my trees. I'm going to add some blue color crayon to make it look nice and cool snow. I'm not going to color in my entire paper. I'm just going to color in some of the spaces and my sky with blue because I want it to look like snow. Then I am going to try to color in some of the trees that are far away, but not too much. And finally, I am going to actually add some snow to my picture. So I'm going to draw a snowflake, and a snowflake looks like an X with more lines through it. You can finish your picture the way that you want to. Happy snow day, and I hope that you enjoy adding more details to your picture and adding more things, but remember the rule, If it's big, it's close to you. If it gets smaller, it's farther away.